Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to explore the groundbreaking M-Hero 917, the latest sensation from Dongfeng Motors in the realm of off-road vehicles. Offering two distinct models, a pure electric version and an extended range variant, this vehicle signifies a monumental leap in the world of luxury electric off-roading. The M-Hero 917 is a formidable force, boasting dimensions of approximately 196.34 inches in length, 81.89 inches in width, and 76.18 inches in height, with a substantial wheelbase of 116.14 inches. Positioned squarely in the mid to large luxury electric off-road segment, it promises to redefine the landscape of rugged off-road adventures. Let's talk about power. The pure electric variant harnesses a four-motor drive system, unleashing an astonishing power output exceeding 1,000 horsepower and offering a comprehensive range of approximately 314.37 miles. Meanwhile, the extended range model combines three motors with a 1.5 turbo range extender, delivering over 800 combined horsepower and an exceptional range of more than 497.1 miles. Beyond sheer power, the M-Hero 917 introduces the Oriental Eagle Eye drone system, an advanced feature that revolutionizes off-road exploration. This cutting-edge system comes with road monitoring capabilities, surveying terrain, gradients, angles, and intelligently planning paths. With a payload capacity of 6.6 pounds, it opens doors to adventurous camping and epic cross-country expeditions. On April 18, 2023, M-Hero Technologies made a global debut at the Shanghai International Auto Show, unveiling the luxurious M-Hero 917 and officially opening pre-orders. With pre-sale prices ranging from $98,000 to $224,000, this vehicle epitomizes the pinnacle of luxury electrification in the off-road domain. The exterior of the M-Hero 917 embodies the essence of grandeur and power. Inspired by the Eastern Vigilant Lion, it showcases a frontal design resembling a lion's roar, featuring a trapezoidal lion roar grille, crosshair bullseye headlights, and arrow-like taillights projecting an aura of dominance and majesty. The imposing stature of the vehicle truly exudes a distinctive personality. Step inside, and you're greeted by the 1,000 Miles landscape thematic interior. The design reflects the spirit of vast landscapes and historical peaks, showcased by the distinctive architecture of the Beacon Tower, styled air vents and pistol grip armrests. The multifunctional, aircraft-inspired gear shift lever integrates gear shifting, chassis height adjustment, and off-road mode selection, providing seamless control tailored to your desires. Equipped with the Denon Confidence Series audio system, the M-Hero 917's cabin houses a 5-screen intelligent interactive setup, merging senses into a unified experience. This vehicle embodies not just power, but a holistic sensory immersion. The audacious spirit of the M-Hero 917 extends to its color palette, reflecting its user-centric approach. Drawing inspiration from three sacred mountains, it offers the Vajra Green, Yachting Gray, and Genie Black color schemes. These hues not only epitomize the spirit of fearlessness and conquest, but also seamlessly infuse a sense of patriotic depth and vastness. The M-Hero's rear trunk, featuring a convenient side-sliding door, a common yet practical design choice in most off-road vehicles. What immediately catches the eye is the generous space within the trunk, offering ample room for all your essentials. One of this vehicle's thoughtful design elements is its similarity to luxury off-road cars. The left side actually allows for adjustable suspension height. Lowering the suspension height facilitates easier loading and unloading of cargo, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Speaking of space, it's incredibly versatile. You'll find it accommodating for everyday charging equipment and personal luggage. But here's the impressive part. If you find the space insufficient, a simple one-touch operation folds down the second-row seats, significantly expanding the interior cargo capacity. The flexibility here is truly impressive. Let's not forget the highlight of the rear door, a noteworthy feature. It's equipped with an electric suction door mechanism. This detail truly adds a touch of sophistication and convenience to the vehicle's overall design. In essence, this vehicle is a testament to intelligent design and practicality. From its spacious trunk and adjustable suspension to its ingenious seat folding and electric suction door, every detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance your off-road experience. M-Hero 917 is built on Dongfeng's pioneering M-Tech Intelligent Off-Road Architecture. The M-Tech Intelligent Off-Road Architecture is a groundbreaking initiative focusing on three core areas: platform, power, and off-road capabilities, aiming to establish an unparalleled technological cluster in the industry. It comprises the M-Hero Off-Road Platform, M-Hero Energy, and the M-Hero All-Terrain System. Let's explore further. The M-Hero Off-Road Platform makes history as China's pioneering electric off-road skateboard platform. This groundbreaking innovation redefines the possibilities for electric off-road adventures, setting a new benchmark in off-road maneuverability and performance. Enter the M-Hero Energy System, an engineering marvel. With a four-motor drive configuration, it generates an astounding power output exceeding 1,000 horsepower. The integrated two-speed gearbox, equipped with differential locks, delivers wheel torque surpassing 16,000 Newton-meters, propelling this beast from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.2 seconds. But wait, there's more. The M-Hero All-Terrain System is an intelligent terrain selection system that adapts to diverse environments, autonomously choosing the optimal off-road mode for any situation. This sophisticated system ensures a seamless transition between different terrains, enhancing the vehicle's adaptability and performance across various landscapes. The M-Hero 917 isn't just a vehicle, it's a testament to innovation and excellence in off-road technology. Built on cutting-edge advancements and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of off-road capabilities, it redefines the very essence of adventure. Join us as we explore the extraordinary capabilities, pioneering technology, and unrivaled luxury encapsulated in the M-Hero 917. Don't miss out on experiencing the future of off-road adventures and luxury electric vehicles. Subscribe now and stay tuned for an in-depth look into the M-Hero 917's unparalleled journey into electrified off-roading.